Get a showroom shine and long-lasting protection with the best car wax. It enhances your vehicle's paint, repels water, and guards against UV rays. Easy to apply and buff, it leaves a smooth, glossy finish that keeps your car looking brand new for weeks. In this video, we recommend the 7 best car wax, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Turtle Wax 53409 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating. Turtle Wax 53409 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating delivers incredible shine and long-lasting protection for your vehicle's exterior. Infused with super hydrophobic SiO2 polymers, it creates a powerful barrier that repels water, dirt, and road contaminants, keeping your car cleaner between washes. Formulated with advanced synthetic wax polymers, it adds a deep, mirror-like gloss and enhances the richness of your car's color. The ceramic spray coating provides durable protection that stands up to repeated washing and lasts for up to 6 months or more. Application is effortless. Just spray onto a clean, dry surface, even in direct sunlight. Spread and buff using a microfiber cloth for a stunning reflective shine. This versatile formula is safe for use on paint, glass, headlights, trim, and wheels, though not recommended for soft-sided convertible tops. To top it off, the spray features a pleasant tropical fruity fragrance that makes detailing even more enjoyable. Number 6. Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash. Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash delivers a flawless clean and glossy finish in just one step, combining powerful cleaning with gentle conditioning. This premium car shampoo lifts dirt, grime, and contaminants effortlessly, all while preserving your car's wax protection thanks to its advanced formula. Infused with ultra-rich paint conditioners, it enhances color depth and leaves your car looking radiant and refreshed, never dull or faded. Perfect for both foam cannons and bucket washes, it creates thick suds that cling and clean with precision. Just dilute 5:1 for foam cannon use. Its biodegradable, eco-friendly formulation ensures a safe and effective wash every time, without compromising performance. Whether you're prepping for car show season or maintaining a daily driver, Meguiar's Gold Class makes each wash fast, easy, and stunningly professional. Enjoy a luxurious, professional-level clean right at home while keeping your vehicle's finish protected and looking its best for longer. Number 5. CAR Guys Hybrid Spray Wax. CAR Guys Hybrid Spray Wax is engineered with advanced science to deliver a deep, slick shine and long-lasting protection that outperforms traditional waxes. This premium formula works at the molecular nano level, producing instant results with a stunning, head-turning gloss that brings out brilliant reflections. It's safe and effective on every surface, paint, plastic, glass, and more, so whether you're detailing a car, truck, motorcycle, RV, or boat, this wax gets the job done. Unlike old-school waxes, you won't deal with white residue or streaks. Just spray, wipe, and enjoy a spotless, showroom-quality finish in minutes. Designed for ease and performance, this spray wax goes on fast and leaves behind a smooth surface that lasts. It's made using the latest advancements in high-quality ingredients to ensure reliable results every time you use it. Perfect for anyone who wants professional shine and protection with minimal effort, CAR Guys Hybrid Wax keeps your vehicle looking its absolute best. Number 4. Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Wax. Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Wax is the ultimate all-in-one solution for those who want a spotless, glossy finish without the fuss. This expertly crafted formula blends powerful cleaning agents, surface lubricants, and genuine carnauba wax to lift dirt gently while protecting your paint. Its thick, luxurious suds create a rich foam that clings to your vehicle, working hard to remove grime and road debris effortlessly. The pH-neutral formula is safe on all paint finishes, so you can wash with confidence knowing your car's surface won't be harmed. Enjoy faster drying times thanks to superior water beading that helps prevent annoying water spots, leaving behind a smooth, streak-free shine. Whether you prefer a traditional hand wash or the convenience of a foam cannon, this versatile product produces professional-grade lather every time. Armor All delivers intense, mirror-like shine that enhances your paint's depth and color, making your car look freshly detailed after every wash. Number 3. Turtle Wax 50834 One-Step Wax and Dry. Turtle Wax One-Step Wax and Dry offers the quickest and easiest way to achieve a high-gloss shine with minimal effort. Simply wash your vehicle, spray on the wax, and dry it off to reveal an incredible shine in a fraction of the time traditional waxes require. Its advanced formula combines carnauba wax with protective polymers, delivering lasting protection and a brilliant finish that guards your paint between washes. Each bottle is designed to wax up to 17 cars, making this double pack an excellent value for multiple vehicles or repeated use. Included is a bonus microfiber towel that helps you buff your vehicle to a smooth, streak-free gloss. Perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and RVs, this versatile wax makes maintaining your vehicle shine fast and simple. Turtle Wax One-Step Wax and Dry is ideal for those who want professional results with minimal effort and time. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.